Yo, what's up everybody? Technical TOG here, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing and review on the AC600 TP-Link Ultra T2U Nano adapter. That is a very long name, but I have a Bluetooth adapter just like this and it performs pretty well. But over here guys, if you open up the box, of course, you'll immediately be greeted with the packaging, instructions, a CD, and of course the Wi-Fi adapter itself. So over here you guys can see we do have the instructions, which are pretty basic, but it will probably get the job done if you're struggling how to connect this. Over here we have the adapter. It also looks pretty high quality. I will link this in the description if you guys want to check it out on Amazon. And I will also link the Bluetooth adapter from TP-Link as well. Over here, guys, you're just going to plug it into one of your blue USB ports. If you don't have blue ones, don't worry, you can use just a normal USB port. But USB 3 is better for these type of adapters. And then, of course, if it's plugged into your PC, you guys will see it's plug and play. So it instantly actually is available to use this wireless adapter. So that's a good news, guys. But now we're gonna get into the review of this adapter, and I have to tell you guys, this adapter, it doesn't really have a very long range. I like to keep these reviews honest, guys, so I'm gonna tell you guys what to expect from this product. So the range isn't that good because of course it's not a very big adapter, so just keep that in mind. If you're too far away from your Wi-Fi router, I would say more than 15 meters or even 20 meters maybe, then it will kind of get bad because of course then the signal degrades over distances basically. And also I don't know why, but I've had trouble with this with the 5G or the 5 gigahertz network. For some reason, it only wants to connect to my 2.4 gigahertz network. So that's also kind of weird. I don't know why, if it's just my Wi-Fi router, because I did test out another brand as well, and it also did the same thing. So it could just be my Wi-Fi router, and you guys will not have this problem, because I did test it out with an extender, and it like a Wi-Fi extender from like Xiaomi, and it also kind of connected to that very easily. So I expect it's probably my Wi-Fi router. It's probably the biggest reason it can't connect to the 5 gigahertz network, but it's still pretty weird. And yeah, that's basically the only problems I have with this, especially with me though, because I'm still gonna have to use a LAN cable now because my Wi-Fi router is being weird. But hopefully you guys don't have this problem. If you just have a 2.4 gigahertz version or Wi-Fi router and you guys just want to use this on the go, like for your laptop or portability or anything like that, let's say you take your PC to a hotel or on vacation, I don't know who does that, but yeah, then this will actually be quite perfect for that. So I don't know, guys, it's up to you guys. Of course the range isn't that good. It's to be expected from a nano like adapter. It's just basic connectivity if your PC doesn't have like wireless connectivity already. But this is basically the review, guys. Nothing to complain about that much, but also just a few things to keep in mind. Just want to be honest with you guys. You guys can check this out, and the Amazon link I will put in the description of this video. And also at the right side corner right now, you guys will see the Bluetooth adapter from TP-Link. This thing is an absolute very good Bluetooth adapter. I'd recommend you guys go check out that video. And without further ado, guys, thank you so much for watching this review. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.